Hello everyone, in this video we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Clientjoy Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install. Here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to a Smart Queue video that's going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup. Here, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected. And no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on Start Setup, and you're simply going to enter your login, your Clientjoy login email and password. So we're going to enter our email and enter your password. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.